practical. It's great to just have theory, but okay, now what does that mean?
Right.
Because I have to leave this session and I have to go and apply this.
Yeah, I still have to go and lead a staff meeting in 2 days' time.
Exactly.
How am I going to do that more effectively than how I did it last
That's
week?
right. And we're being generous to say in 2 days' time. Some folks leave the programs and they're immediately logging on and which I don't recommend. I think you should let it sizzle a little bit what the program provides. But people leave immediately, and I have heard people say, you know, if it's a 2-day session, hey, I actually went and applied what you offered today. I actually applied it this morning before I came in here, and so I think that's important.